Okay, here we have a 292 straight 6. I was priming the oil pump, and we're getting oil on all of the rockers here, except for this one. So I'm going to have to take off the plate, remove the rocker, remove the lifter, take the lifter apart, and see if the diaphragm on the inside isn't upside down. Okay, let's see if this isn't assembled upside down. Kind of looks like it is. Get a light real quick. Kind of looks like that puck is facing the wrong direction. So that would have burned up this camshaft. Just like that. Yeah, it looks like it's facing down instead of up. Let's pull it apart, take a look. Okay. Now, you see that? Hold on. There you go. So this is supposed to face up. Forgot to mention that if you don't completely take it all apart, it has oil in the bottom, even though it wasn't coming out the top, which makes it under pressure, and the push rod won't push down very easily when you tighten your rocker arm shaft. So clean all the oil out of it and then reassemble it. Get to where I'm at the camera. No, I'm kind of going like this. I like doing this. Put it here. Okay. I'll take this guy. This is the major problem. Make sure it's facing up. Like that. This guy on top. And probably easier to push this side in first. Little pick tool, just spin around. Boom. There we go. Now, that's it. There we go. Let's see what happens. Look at this one. Starting fresh. There it is, look at that. There you go. There you go. There you go. There. Engine's primed. Just ridiculous. Okay, time to put it back together. Looks like we got oil. That's how you fix it. That's how you do it.